Join our cute little animal friends for a day of dress-up and tea parties. The Waffle Flower Be Her stamp set, designed by Big Bear and Bird, gives you 4 sweet animals to choose from. Use them on their own, or have fun adorning them with the cutest accessories. Have the little faces peeking out from the corners of your card for a playful look. They're made to fit perfectly in our Be.You.Tiful wreath. The Be Her stamp set is illustrated by Big Bear and Bird and is available individually or as a combo at waffleflower.com. Follow us on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook for more creative ideas.